goes into inception. Let's see, something is okay. Yep, it looks fine. I'm gonna share it on my Instagram, and then we can start writing some actual code. Okay, posting it on my IG. Wait, I'm gonna close ChatGPT. So here's my app. Meanwhile, you guys can look at it. I'm sorry for the noise. Let me just link my YouTube here. So I think, okay, I have the story posted. Let's see how many people tune in. Right now there are none, I'm pretty sure. But okay, so let's bring our music back in. What's up? Okay. Just switch to some new music. So I'm gonna have to open the track somewhere, which I'll do it on my phone. It's not a problem. Okay, so we have 0 viewers for now, and that's fine. So I'm just gonna do one thing. I don't wanna change my profile picture, so I'm gonna pin something on the chat so that for people that are new, okay, let's just use this much, and then they can read the description. Yes, I'll put it here, and then in the message. Okay, so I have 2 views on my story, and I don't think so though they're gonna watch my stream. So, but I do need some people. I'll ask my friend to join me. He'll come in and say hi, hello. Where's Ru? So I've asked to join me. And still only 2 views on my chat. So the first half of the stream is only going to be me waiting for some people to tune in. But okay, let's send this to the other people and then try. And we'll open this one. Never mind. Okay, never mind. Oh, I'll send it to one of my friend. Hold on. Oh wow. Okay, so the stream is looking okay to me. If these I'll have to find a way to chat somewhere. I started working on this project around 2 weeks ago. You can see my comments here. So basically what this project is about, it's a simple email scroller. It's not a scroller, you have to press buttons. But the point is there is a neural network that's running under the hood, which will learn your patterns and say whether you like this image or not based on some training data. Now let's go to next corridor. So in general, how a neural network works is basically you have a bunch of data, thousands samples, okay, which you then which you then pass to some kind of red box, which we call neural network. But the problem I'm dealing with here is so basically this neural network is usually trained with some historical data or some kind of pre-existing data. So what I choose to do here with this specific app of mine is this model will live on user's device, which makes it a bit difficult since I won't have access to any pre-existing data. So we'll basically learn over time. So our neural network will learn over time and start identifying whether I will like this picture or not. The way I'm doing it right now is basically every time these pictures are loaded, I have a like button. Okay. You can even double tap to like and unlike the photo. So yeah, every time you press like, these entries recorded to my internal data set. So I'm building the data set live, as in the data set is also living on the user's machine, on their phone, on their device basically. So it's completely on device, and yeah, that's how it's working basically. Okay, I might have to lower my volume. Sorry, my music. Okay, hope it's okay now. I think this should work. I don't want to blow out people's ears, but also don't want to stream without any music. Alright, so the flow is basically you like the picture, you train the model, and then you predict the next picture. So this is my app all about. Basically a small AI that will learn what kind of images you like or not. Pretty simple, pretty smooth. It's basically used everywhere these days. If you go on Instagram, Pinterest, whatever. This is nothing new. It already exists, but for the sake of learning, I'm building this project. So this is what I've built already. Came up with the design, did it on Figma, and yeah, so we'll be continuing onwards from this stage where I will be basically working on the model, converting this image into data sets and all of those fun stuff. Part of the reason why I didn't stream most of this development was basically me being lazy, but here we are. So yeah, and for those of you who are interested in knowing what this is built on, it's basically Next.js. And for the model, I'm using TensorFlow.js. So full stack JavaScript application these, because I'm a JavaScript fanboy. Okay, so one of the problem I'm dealing with right now is the way I've structured this application. So what you're seeing here is basically all divided into different components. So I'll start with layout. This is the bare bone layout component, nothing interesting going on here. This is where the fun part begins. Okay, so we have this page component, which is basically this page. So right now it's doing a lot of heavy lifting. It's loading the models, it's taking care of building the data set, also training the AI and everything. These are some of my custom components that I've built. Yeah, so this component is basically the scroller component which you see here. Yeah, so these buttons and this bot button are part of that component. The way these images are being loaded, they are living in one more component. It's called image window component. Okay, this should be visible now. Alright, so I'm loading in the images. Okay, so by the way, this is hard coded here, and this is the like button you see here. So that's basically like a very simple application setup I have. So what we'll be building right now in this stream is will be what do you call it? Okay, so I have this hook that I've built earlier. This hook basically took care of all the complete dataset part in my previous versions. Okay, so but there was one major flaw with this approach is that I was using arrays. Like the whole thing was dependent on indexes, and basically like I was just storing everything in two different arrays, and turned out after I implemented this new design it's not efficient at all. So I'll be refactoring this hook right now. Yeah, so we'll be refactoring this React hook that I've already started refactoring here, and this time I am storing all my training samples in this format. Basically we'll be capturing the image ID, its pixel features, the label, and then also there was one problem with the previous version was that some of the images were being repeated like in the same API call, and we don't want to deal with that anymore. So I'm using this flag to remove any duplicates from our training samples. Yeah, so I've already built like this simple boilerplate code, but I haven't tested this yet, and this is yet to yet to be tested. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Enough of the talks. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now let's start hooking up this component to our, sorry, that hook to our main component. So over here, the way this scroller is working is basically every time we press these buttons here, the up and down buttons, it will emit an event which will basically tell me what index I am on currently and how fast have I scrolled. So here, it's basically in a visited log array. So now what I need to do is yeah, so every time, let's say we start from the first page, so let's just refresh the whole app. Alap mark है Okay, so you see one of the other major problem is being that the app loading is slow because it's also loading the feature extractor model and then the API calls. So it is a slow here. Yeah. So right now, okay, I didn't console log it, but basically what I want to do is, let's say we are on this page and user switches to the next page without liking or not liking. We don't want to enforce them to like this picture or not. Basically all we care about is whether they were on this image or not, right? So whenever they come here, we want to push it on our data set that okay, I've seen this image and then I have liked it or not. That will be decided afterwards. Yeah. So we are okay. So over here, my previous implementation was that whenever user presses like, right, we were adding it to our data set here. And oh, what's wrong with my music? Wow. I was wondering why it got silent all of a sudden. Yeah, so now we want to do the same thing. We'll initialize our new hook here. This is all new code. Image dataset v2 is basically this image dataset v2. Okay, and yeah, so we still want to push. Okay, what is it giving me here? Number. So we'll have to change the definition here, that instead of giving out the numbers, we'll pass in the whole image data. So image like, and here we'll do props.image data. Okay, so let's get rid of this. We'll call a new function here, handle of type Unsplash image. So okay, get rid of all of these. Let's call this function here, and okay, now yeah, I also want to do to fix this. Fit. Yeah, I was messing around with some changes earlier. Yeah. Now you see the images were like some of them are stretched out when they were not supposed to be stretched out. See, it looks good now. Okay, so what our data set is expecting basically is okay, oh yes, one more thing. We need to tell them whether they have liked the image or not. Here, right? Props that image liked, and then we need to pass in this new val as well, which is, we call this image data, then like it's going to be a boolean. Okay, and over here we will get the same thing. Okay, and we'll construct our data set payload as in like this, of type I need to export this type. I'm gonna export this type of type image training sample. Okay, so what all things we need here? Yeah, let's import the type. Okay, so it's expecting 4 things from us. Okay, feature. So where do we get this from? Okay, label is basically whether we like the image or not. Okay, so if we have oh wait, am I doing something wrong here? I think so. Okay, yeah, I'm doing something wrong. Wait. Like I said, we don't want to like explicitly only add the pictures that user liked to our data set, right? We want everything. So either we can just push all the images when they are loaded, and then update the likes. That works as well. Well, yeah, it does work good. Nice handling it. So what is it doing? So it's extracting features. Yeah, we should just do it here instead. And so we are getting the image reference, its index, and then also the model is predicting its stuff here. Predict. Okay, so I'll have to deal with everything here. All of the word code. Is there a way I could just be a bit greedy and just update some things here? So this is updating the training samples, this is updating training labels, evaluation label, this is constructing the batch. The whole point is basically like, since I don't have the old version to show here, but previously when I started working on this app, everything was like basically you have one card of picture, you just press like. It was not following this layout. Now with this redesign, everything changes because these images are being loaded like one by one. So I have to think of constructing the dataset based on how the user will interact with this app, and later on we'll also stumble upon one more problem, which is basically these are only 30 images right now, right? And as soon as user reaches the last image, we want to load in the new images and train on the previous 30 pictures. So there's a lot going on right now, so I'm pretty sure this hook is almost useless. So no, I'm not gonna be greedy, and let's just work on the new hook itself. I'm gonna make it full screen for some time. Okay, I hope this is visible. Okay, so we are adding in the training samples here, which we can like this. We can call this function when this code is executed, because we'll be getting features and everything from here. So it makes no sense to put it like somewhere else. And then we'll have to update. We need a function to update our training sample. Training sample, and over here we'll just need the sample ID, since we are is it better to work with indexes still, or wow, I'm confused as hell right now. What should I do? Okay, let's just model prediction. So even if I like don't change anything right now, this will still work. The old code will still work, but I just want to update my code. Basically, I'm just adding in these two new properties. That's it. How should I do it? Okay. So here, let's just call in this function image dataset dot add training sample, whether the new sample feature is image features. What are the type? Okay, so let's infer the type from my previous dataset here. Let's go to this side. I'm just gonna copy. And we will call image extracted feature works. Okay, now we need more. So the label will be false, or it's 0. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's false. So we're assuming that user hasn't seen it yet, so not like. Okay, then UUID. Now we need our image data here. We'll just put it. No, I'm just doing right now, and then we'll do false here. So this way, yeah, even the old thing was doing. Oh, even the old hook was doing the same thing, so we can just get rid of it right now. And then yeah, I'm gonna comment this part here. Okay, let's bring in the UUID. Okay. Yeah, now that I think about it, I don't know. Do I really need to get rid of this? Image ref on image load, image load. And we'll also pass the image data here just in case. So we'll do props. And then we have image data here. Image data. Image data. Unsplash media. And then we'll get the ID from here. Okay. Wow. Okay, so let's just console log image dataset dot image dataset v2. Training samples. Alright, so okay, 54 samples. So okay, let's refresh. So okay, so now the pictures are loading in one by one. Okay, so we have, wait, why do we have only 23 samples? How many did we get here? Oh, wait, what? There are 30. Okay, something's like it's not, something is wrong in here. We got like 30 samples and it's only pushing 23 samples in. Wait, what? Index. Let's log in the ID. Okay, hold on, let me refresh now. So I just want to check what the last logged ID is. If it's going like sequentially, then we'll be able to debug it properly. Okay, yeah, so the last one is the same one. I don't know why it didn't work last time, but it seems okay. because if we mess up this part, then we'll have issues with our batching, batch sizes and all of those stuff. So okay, so okay, and yeah, if you are curious like what are the features looking like, I'll show you. So let's wait for the images to load in. Oh wait, I didn't console log it. Wow. Image dataset v2. Okay. Let's see the features now. Okay, so these are 50. It's showing 53 right now because it didn't clear the previous training samples. Okay, so this is what our features look like. It's basically a TensorFlow tensor, and then these are our labels with the UUID. Alright, so now whenever the user presses like, we want to update that like. We want to update that training sample in our dataset and mark it as like. So that's what we'll work on right now. Const update training sample. Okay, and okay, let's do some optimizing here. So you saw how we were adding duplicates right now, right? So I think okay, I can do one thing here. Let's keep a hash map so that we don't have to like keep on querying the whole array every time. So we'll say training sample IDs and then set sample IDs as this, and then we'll use an empty object. This is basically going to be sample ID of string, and then okay, what this state variable is basically saying whether we have a particular training sample ID in our array or not, because I can do it without defining a whole new state object, but that would be like I have to go through every single element, then check the ID against it. It's a bit CPU intensive, or we can say we are wasting a lot of CPU cycles on it. Okay, so we'll have to update this definition here. We're getting a previous array which we'll use here. Okay, and then we'll do training sample IDs, all samples, then we'll do all sample. Why is not letting me? Oh yeah, I need to return an object. And then training ID and true. Okay, so before we add, we can just quickly check here that if we have sample.uid in training sample ID, just return. Basically we don't have to dealing with duplicates. Okay, So now here, okay, index. Let's just work with sample IDs now. So we'll find the training sample, which is training samples. I just realized one thing. Some people were like, they didn't saw this beautiful UI on the left. We'll find sample.uid. And then we'll update the training sample. Yeah, we need to check if the training sample exists. This is Boolean mask. We just need Boolean. If there is a training sample, then we'll training sample label. Then we'll update the state. Copy. I kind of hate dealing with police when it comes to like managing the states. Or can I not just use, okay, never mind, I'll deal with it afterwards. I have one more. I should have done this. Okay, wait. How was I doing it earlier? Okay, so let's just do this thing. Okay, so we can basically use previous samples. Why is it saying, oh, training samples? Then we just have to return previous. Basically, we are just updating the label of one element. Okay, update the training sample, and then back to our page.tsx. We go handle live image dataset. We do not update training sample. the ID, and then we'll just pass in the line. Yeah, easy. Okay, so now we are almost done. Okay, let's test. I also want to implement a function that checks if I have the image in the dataset. It's basically this cons training string Okay. Yeah, so here, if we already have it, right now I'm just thinking about like how do I make it more faster. Next data set, the training sample axis, then also we return, but here, oh, this might give us some problems when we will be dealing with predictions. Okay, yeah, so we'll put this thing in a separate function, the whole prediction part in a separate function, and then deal with it like separately without adding the data and training sample and all this stuff. Okay, so we'll console log the training samples. Just wanna see if we have enough. Okay, so we have, okay, let's clear this out now, because it's, oh shit. Okay, let's refresh and then test it again, because I believe the IDs were not at, what do you mean only 11? Wait, what's going on? Okay, yeah, it's slow. It's going, yes. Okay, so we have 30 samples. Okay, and then we press save. It's rebuilding. Anything new? So it didn't add new samples, which is like great news. Okay, never mind. So we have the training samples, Now if we'll let's say let's test like functionality as well. So let's say if I like the first picture, okay, it's loading in the models and stuff. Okay, so I like the first picture. It should say like here. Okay, so it said number 1 true. Why did it keep on like adding new stuff here? Are these new images? Damn. See. Oh, sorry. I need to console log it. Yeah, they are not repeating. Wow. So are these all like new images? On save, because that one is old, I know that. Okay, so I also wanna make sure that my labels are being inserted properly. Okay, load fast please. See, now that's a problem because it's taking like I don't know how many minutes to even start up the application properly. And the feature extraction part is also, we can lazy load this, like perform this part lazily, as in like whenever a user is close to reaching that image, we feature extract those images, but not before they are presented on the screen. So that way we save some CPU cycles, but that's for afterwards. We don't want to waste time on that right now. Okay, so now let's test the image like thing. So I liked an image. Okay, it added a new entry over there. Wait, it says 30, but none of my label was updated. This added one true here. Let's go to second picture. If I like this one, let's clear this. Okay, one more 30. So we have one true. Where's the other one? Okay, yeah, we have two trues. So yeah, since they are not, it looks like they are not what do you call it, they are not positioned index wise based on indexes. So now what about this one, like this? Okay, so there should be 3 trues here. That's 1, 2, and the other one was here 3. Okay, so this works. Now we need to we basically need some kind of trigger that will tell us when to train our model. Okay, so previously what I had here was with an old UI, I had menu or like a train button here that on pressing it fired up this function here, fit model. So we have the function ready here. We don't have to code this function like separately, like from scratch. Sorry, not separately, from scratch. So okay, now let's work on that trigger point. And also just gonna predict image with yeah, I'm just gonna take out this whole code in this function. We'll take the image reference, which is this part here, and we'll uncomment this part. Image features. Okay. Okay, so we do need features. Never mind, let's use this here. So very bad. Okay, and we'll have to deal with these afterwards. Basically, we'll once we have the probability, we have to mark it somewhere that okay, the model thinks that this image is something that the user will like, so we'll have to put it somewhere and pass it on to that component here. Oh yeah, by the way, the whole point of that model is to decorate this like button. Pretty silly, but that's what we are going to do. So fix this. Look for how we keep track of predictions. One way to like solve most of these problems is basically using data models, which I was considering earlier, but didn't went ahead that plan, which I'm regretting right now. I should have gone ahead with that thing. Okay, so here, so with this scroll listener, we have this condition. Oh yeah, I already have it here. Wow, I don't need to train them. So what it's basically saying is if we have visited all the 30 images, let's train our model. Okay, so it's calling the train function, which is here, and then okay, we'll have to change this to image data set v2 get training build training batch, and this would be of size 30. Yeah, so okay, so this here also needs to be worked on. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's just first train our model, like just work on the training first, and then deal with the the other half of the problem, which is basically like once you reach the end, you load in the new images, push them to the viewport, and then train the model while the user is still scrolling the other images. Okay, and do I have I believe so. I have it. Model trainer dot is training. Yeah, I need this. Or is training. Yeah. So we don't want to fit the model if it's already in training. Okay. Okay. So you see this cute button here will show all of our model. Okay, so yeah, as I'm saving, it's adding new pictures to the viewport. Okay, I thought they were being cached or something. Okay, so in that case, let's just refresh right now, because this won't happen in production, so we won't and we have that safety net as well for the duplicate checking. Okay, so we need to find a way to use this button here. I want to show the progress of like my model is being trained or something. Yeah. Okay. Now how do we achieve that? I was thinking of using the context API and passing the state and then accessing it through this component here, like, and then doing stuff here like on the component itself rather than prop drilling it all the way. Alright, let's just train the model first and see what's going on, and then work on this issue next, and then work on the UI here, and then the infinite scrolling. Yeah, so let's see. For the sake of training, I'm only gonna like outdoor pictures. So pictures like this. This has Unsplash watermark going on though. This is also nice, like this. Like this is a nice photo around me. This is cool. I like this as well. So this is nice. I don't know about this. Yeah. Too boring. Yeah. Yes. Oh, this is the same full picture, right? Yeah, you see, we got an error somewhere. TF can't care because at least one. Why? Okay, so I think the training kicked off and it didn't oh wow, it did train the model. What the hell? and then I think it tried to do it again. Something happened, but these are our predictions, or maybe these are our labels. Who knows? Yeah, so you do see a point, like we need some kind of feedback over here. Or if we don't want to go with the whole infinite scrolling part, we can just unset the whole thing, like, and load in the fresh new 30 images and just start from the scratch. That could work, which I'm gonna, yeah, I think so. I will implement that first and then spend time working on the infinite scrolling thing. Yeah, which features are going to be of type the same type right here. Yeah, I'll export it from here. Cast like prediction is wait here. So now that our model is like, it did train on the first part, right? So, oh wait, yeah, the data models might work here. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is, since I'm not using like almost like most of the properties, I am going to convert my HTTP response into a proper data model and then update the predictions and features on that model itself. Yeah, so I won't have to deal with like updating an index somewhere else and then make it reflect on the button or something. Okay. So let's build the data model first. So these are components. We'll create a new file for models. Sorry, new model directory. And what's the naming convention of this? Image view model, yeah. So class image view model, okay, and then we'll have, so what are the things are we using? We can clearly see here. So we are using the username is a string, we're using ID, which is a string. Oh, yeah, okay. So we're using, and then like predicted will be a boolean. When we're using image source, which is a string. Then yeah, we're also using image source, and then description, also string. Now we have static function, maybe checking. Unsplash. It will return the image view model. Okay, the model, the description will be response dot description. ID will be response dot ID, model dot predicted will be nothing. We'll have other function for it. Setter regular response the username, and that's it. Okay, I will have an object function this time, a class function, sorry. We'll call it set like predicted. So we'll see predicted will be the boolean value, and we'll just set this dot like predicted is predicted. And yeah, instead of like this is false, no, I don't keep it undefined. Yeah, that is initialize one with an empty string. Export class K, and then we have to go to our image loader. These are our images, right? So here, okay, we are just returning images that are right. We will do map, and we will map the image view model.map. Okay, and in our page.tsx, we'll change the definition of this thing here to be view model. So we are not dealing with the raw HTTP response anymore. And the image dot source, this is description, the username. Okay, and now here's the fun part. Wait, what? Yeah, image data. Oh yeah, I need to change the definition here as well. Image list will be image view model. So that's out of the way. Image like the image view model, image load. Wait. Oh yeah, here. Image view model. Okay, so since we're not dealing with indexes right now, we can get rid of the index here. Nice and easy. Okay, so once we have our predictions here, we can basically just say image data dot set like predicted type. Oh yeah, const dot wait, prediction dot data. Oh, it's an array. 0 is greater than 0.5. It's just not how it works. Oh. Okay. So now we go back to image window, and now comes the fun part. If our model thinks that we will like the image, we'll decorate or make this like button glow up. Okay, so alright, so let's work on this part now. So here's like the code for our button. I know I need to refactor the Tailwind part as well, but that's not the priority right now. Okay, so here okay, let's just create a separate component for this image like button.tsx. We'll take this part from const image like button. Yeah, we'll have props as well. Button props. Basically, we'll have like predicted, which is a boolean. Okay, and we'll also import fc and props feature. Oh no, we don't need props. Which will just return. Oh, I made a mess here. Okay. Okay, wait. Interface extends HTML button element, and then props, and then you can just spread the props. Wait. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot the types. It's called button HTML attributes, and then okay, yeah, this thing. I always forget. Okay. We'll import this from like predicted, and then this is like actually like pronoun, which is boolean. So we'll get all of these here. We'll export this button. Okay, let's use this component now and hope nothing breaks. So we have image, like button, click, just handle like, and then like is basically like, and we can say like predicted is image data, like predict. Okay, is there a way I can make that function private? Yeah, I want to make it read only. Yeah, it doesn't work like that. Okay, so we have the like data as well, but how do we oh wait, refresh. We gotta do a lot of refresh. Okay, so let's see if my model thinks I like this I will like this picture or not. Then I can break, putting a different line here. Text white, this is all about, so this can go here. Rolling the borders, this is regarding the container, this is all the fonts, you can go here. Yeah, okay. And we need this thing. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, according to my design, the outline should be yellow. Okay, so let's say if props are like predicted. Okay, here that would be here. Props are like predicted. Then we want our stroke to be yellow. 400. Okay, so let's see if for any images it's true. Yeah. Seems like it's not for most part. Okay, I think so my model is training right now. Yeah, it's just training. Oh, it got 99% accuracy. Wow. We will have to like clear out the weights and stuff. Let's just train our model from scratch now, and with the proper data, real data this time. Yeah, we will work on this part. So local storage, and we'll delete our model. Bye bye. Okay, refresh everything. Initialize a fresh new model for. Okay, so we got a lot of errors. We got new model, we have feature extractor. Oh wait, React does not recognize what? Okay, I don't know why did this error is even a thing. I always put it like surrender to it, but I need a proper explanation. There is a way to overcome this using this not props. I don't understand what's going on. My div layout and props. But that's not like it's not an internal. It's not the problem for this button, right? This props. The error is coming from the other side. Okay, so let's go. Let's like some pictures. I like this one. This one is good. Not that one. Not that one. Over there. Yeah. So my taste is basically just all the. I really like looking at natural pictures, like nature, beauty, and all of that stuff. Yeah, this is nice. Some metropolitan but not portrait figures. So I want to see if the model recognizes that feature. Okay, this is good, but it's like too crowded for me. Like there's a lot of things going on. These are all subtle images that I like. Okay, I think so. We are almost. Yeah, okay. So the model should be training now. Okay, here it did train on these labels. What is this? So the first one is prediction, the second one is labels. Okay, so let's reload our browser. Let's load in fresh set of new images. And okay, so it did load the train model. Let's train it again. So this is a nice photo. This one is also nice. Stream disconnected. Okay, we are back online, baby. This looks like. I thought it was the Silver District. So if we see any like okay, so the model training is pretty fast if you see here. Why? But it's not actually like improving in terms of training. Okay, wait. Now let me just oh yeah, it's using a different metric system here. It's like from the other data set, from the other hook, and we don't want that. Model trainer, the ranker. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you see here. No, this is a symmetric, so okay. We have to fix that thing as well. Image load. Okay, that's after everything is done. Let's again console log image data. I'm console logging everything. No stones. Because it should give out some probability. Is it? So like predicted is true. See, for one of the images it's true. Okay, so for some of the images it is true. So let's just go through all the images. Maybe there's something wrong with our prompt. Yeah, that might be the case. Holy shit. Image like button. Okay, that's lower cases. Let's surrender again. And maybe this thing is not working. Is this? चलता है. Okay, first of all, the stroke doesn't work. Wow. Why is the stroke not working? The stroke color doesn't work. Why not? Should I? Do I have to write border? Oh, it's wait. Oh, okay. So it's the okay, I was using an incorrect property. So we should be Gucci now. So this is border, and we can just leave this stroke white. Okay. So let's go to. Okay, so the model thinks that I will like this picture, which I don't. Yeah, I like this one, which is correct. Even this one, okay. I like this one. Yeah, see? Okay, it's catching up on this now. So it thinks that I like this one as well. The model thinks I like this picture, but I don't. Okay, now this is something that I would like, but it said I won't like it. Yeah, this is good. This is a bit of a cheating because it was in a previous training sample, so okay, I don't like. Yeah, this is new and it says that I would like it. So this works. I think so. No, not that one. So there are some of the pictures that the model thinks that I will like, and then I did like those. Okay, this is good. Okay, so it's training the release now. Now let's refresh. Get a set of pictures. Okay, I really like this picture. Okay, the model thinks I will like it. This is something that I would like. Yeah, again, this is something that's repeating. This is cool. Yeah. Okay, the thing is, I've seen some of these pictures before, I'm not gonna lie. So let's keep on training the model. There were not many training samples anyways. Nope. Oh wow, that's a nice picture. Oh yeah, see. Because previously I liked that reddish picture and it said I would like this one as well. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so it's trained again. So the model training is fast. Okay, I don't know about that. Yeah, I like this one. Even this one. No, but yeah, this one as well. So it is sort of working. This is a nice photo, but it doesn't. Yeah. Nah, I don't like this one. Oh. Yeah, this one is nice. Even this one. Even this one, yes. Yeah, even this one. So the more the model will see, the more it will pick up on your taste basically. Some of the things are pretty straightforward, so it can just like what do you call it, pick up on, while some of the things are a bit complicated for it, so it struggles. Okay, so yeah, I do like this picture. Even this one, not that one. Yeah, this one I do like it. Yeah, that's the next one. I like this one too. Yeah, so you see, it is matching my taste, which is like most of the outdoor stuff. It is rating it like, okay, this guy might like it. Yeah, so okay, let's just do one more run and then move on to the next. No, I don't like this one. That's not my taste. Yeah, I like this one. Like this one. Yeah, this is cool, but I would love that picture, to be honest. I just didn't click it out of my ego. Yeah, this is repeated, so whatever. Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so it trained. Let's go next. So we've trained the model on like four batches, which is basically 120 pictures. Yeah, this is just a repeat. Okay, yeah, see, I like this one. I don't know if the model has seen it before or not. Yeah, this one is new, so you see, it says I would like it. Yeah, so it kind of understood that I like outdoor stuff more than the indoor stuff. This is nice. Not that. Okay, now I am really curious. We need some kind of stopping condition for the model. Oh, look here. It got corrected now. That once you see like the performance dropping, we can assume that okay, the user is interested into some other stuff right now, so we can retrain the model with that like data set. That's one feature we could work on, and I would love this one, but I don't know why it didn't say it. Said I didn't like it. Okay, so I trained again. Oh wow, this is a nice picture. Yeah, some of you have to look. it should have recognized that I would have liked that picture, but it didn't. So this is like learning from new samples. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that was from the old. This one also from the old sample. It should have predicted correctly about these ones. So yeah, this one is nice, but it didn't. Yeah, this is like a repeat. So no, this is not a repeat. Yeah, this is nice. Okay, so temporary conclusion would be the model works. Okay, we need a lot more data to train on maybe, but it is sort of working. I mean, it can pick up like a short taste or short-term taste. Yeah, that would be a proper way of concluding the model. Okay, so I will commit these changes. Refactor it afterwards, and let's move on to the next part. So we'll get rid of this console logs because I know it's working now. Yeah, this is not necessarily not in that condition. Do we have any more console logs? Okay, now let's work on this thing. Yeah, so right now we are not giving any feedback to the user, whether as in like what is happening with the model, and we specifically want to show them that okay, it's training or it's like predict what mode is it in right now. Okay, so let's like go to Figma and then brainstorm the UI a little bit. So we will duplicate why is it a fucking frame? And this one we can put our make it size 16. Okay, maybe a bit more size, 20. Yeah, 20 looks good to me. Okay, so we want a bubble. Okay, okay, this is Make it like this. Okay, I'm really not good with this thing, but I'm gonna try no matter what. Okay, so we'll have such like a chat bubble maybe, or whatever. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is looking up. Okay, we can just put it here. Okay, am I wasting a lot of time? Okay, maybe this looks nice. Who knows? Okay, so we want to display metrics. Okay, so if you are a new viewer, basically we've built our model. The yellow outline you see here is the model saying that you will predicting that I will like the picture, and wherever you see the white borders, it means that I will not like that picture. Okay, so that's a small summary for you. So right now we are working on this AI icon here that I have here, and I think I'm just gonna use some CSS chat bubble generator. Yeah, so this is speech bubble. Arrow, I want it on the other side. Right side. Button. How do I have both? Can I not do both? What the hell? Okay, no, I just want not Daisy UI. I want from scratch. These are all okay. So someone has a chat bubble here. Let's see what it looks like, and then we can. Oh yeah, this works. This is what I need. Yep. So okay, it's using some. Yeah, it's using lazy UI. Will I have to use that login? Let's check out lazyui.com. How do we install this library? It looks good to me. How to use? So we install it as a dev dependency and then just module export. Okay, let's try. Install -d. Daisy UI test. Okay. Oh, wait. Never mind, it will do it automatically. I hope it doesn't break other stuff of mine. Okay, and how do we initialize it? So in Tailwind context, we require basic. So here we do require basic one. That's it. Okay. And then I believe we'll have to restart our server because it's been going on since like forever. So let's compile our modules and start working on the check bubble. So these are their classes. We'll use this, that's the simple one here. I believe there's a lot of classes. Okay, so what's the class? What does class look like? So chat and then you, okay, let's copy this. Let's go to our, what is that component? Model status bar. Okay, here, and then I'm just gonna like this. Is it going to work? Class name. Okay, now it's compiling. I hope it doesn't break any of the other stuff. Okay. What's going on? Okay, so it no, it didn't break like all of it. Yeah. I'm good. We are good. Okay. So this is my rounded bar. I need spring base button. I am just going to add a relative class here just in case. And here I can do so okay. And where do we want to put this? So we'll go top 0. Okay, so this is one of the issues that I face like almost every time when I'm working with custom component derived components like this ones. Chat and do I have to change like width here? Okay. Left 100, let's say. No. Where is it going? Come on, man. If I put it here, will it work? Okay. That was close. Let's go. Okay. So what do you think? This looks okay-ish to me. Maybe we can have a BG white. Here we go. And what other classes do we have? Yeah. Mine's not looking exactly like that. Now what if I remove this lovely 48 class? Will it still work? To force the number. Yeah. Okay, and here we can say you will love. I don't know why there's like not a proper hard emoji inside of Windows. That's just simple. Okay, so this is what it will look like when it's in. Okay, and then we can have other things as beep. Training. Slack. So this is what, okay, yeah. So I'm happy with this UI a little bit. You can have maybe like this. Let's fix the C index minus C01. Yeah, because the thing is the thing. Oh, let's do that. No, that's okay. Yeah, this is more better. So beep boop, I'm training. And then we can have like a whole fucking progress bar thing going on. And then we can have a table th1 tdh2 make the whole thing. It's a joke, but I'm just saying. So we'll need a state for chat. This chat bubble. Just like a true right now. And then we only show this thing if the chat is true. Else we don't. Simple as that. Maybe we can just put this in a span. So that looks better. Text Excel. No, I don't want to break the hierarchy. Okay. Wait, maybe it is a bit smaller than the other ones. Yeah, no, it's okay. No, it's fine. So now what we want is first of all, whenever like we are reaching the end of the page or whenever the model is training, it's blocking the UI. So we need a way to fix that. And so if you see right now, we are getting this the prediction values here in the image component, but this whole thing is different, like it's not in the same component. So we have to find out a way to like once again duplicate this data or like point this data over to this component. And what I'm thinking is maybe I should use context somewhere, or or I could place this button like from this image component here, but that would look very messy. So I am respectfully going to reject that idea of mine. Okay. Okay, so let's figure out a way, and let's also style. Let's where is my image like button? I want that thing, that star emoji on top of here. So I'll have a span prop start, which is only visible when okay. We'll call it absolute. This one is like pretty famous right now because every AI website you go, you'll see them using this emoji just to suggest that okay, this is AI generated content or this is an AI feature. And I want to go with the same trend. Okay. So I don't see where that thing is. Okay, it's here. Okay. Now let's position this properly top 0. Okay. There is a bit of a problem with the padding. It feels like okay, so there we go. It looks nice. And let's increase the font size. Should be large. 2XL. Maybe XL. 2XL. Yeah, that's okay. Just a bit more. Or was 3 okay? 4, yeah, that's nice. That looks awesome. Okay. Let's see if Daisy UI has tooltips. Because if they do, okay, they do. Oh yeah, it's already. Alright. Should it be called unlike or dislike? Oh. Okay, yeah, one more. Okay. And not Wait. Yeah. Because yeah, okay, so now it works. Because why would we want, should we also change the color of like to like match with the yellow thing, or is it fine? I think it looks okay. The like button is working. It doesn't work from here. So when we land onto this picture and we see this, we want our AI to say okay. Then I think look, the AI thinks you will like this picture. Model status. What else can we do here? Yeah, now let's go back to the thing. Okay, now let's find a way to work on this button. Okay. So if you're going the use context route, maybe we can offload a lot of things that's going on here to where's the page? Yeah. So if we are going to make the context like the shared context for the whole application, basically a small Redux store, we can offload like bunch of things over there. Alright. I don't know why. Okay. Did we retrain our model or something? Because it's looking a bit buggy right now to me. Wait, yeah, what's going on? Okay, yeah, so it thinks we like this picture. So for anyone who are tuning in new, we build a model that learns what kind of picture I will like just by based on my previous interactions with other images. So if you see this kind of like button, it means that the model is predicting that I will like this picture, which I do. So you see some of the images with that decoration. It's all coming off of from the previous training samples. It's predicting based on the previous training samples. Yeah. So you see, previously I was liking the nature category images, so it's biased over onto that category. So for most of the natural images like this, you see it is saying that I will like the pictures, which I do. So let's go. Let's start writing our context. Let's write a new. Should we make a new folder for it? Okay. So we'll call it model context. Context. We should call it model. So we will create context. Context. Maybe something. Context provider function. And it will expect optional component with okay. So our context needs some kind of data to pass it on to the children. So what kind of data do we care about? Let's put this here and we'll solve. Still using image datasets somewhere. This we can get rid of. No, get rid of anything right now because it's all messy. Probably have to so it's only being used at 2 places that I can get rid of. Wait. Yeah, I want to show you like this batch size since I don't have that many training examples. I just had to stretch out my legs. Okay, so what all things can we fix here? So we are not using the model evaluator right anymore. Okay, let's try something. Because we have a lot of hooks here, so and all of this is for like the model itself, right? So you know what? So because I am also, I'll have to think about the whole loading in the new images as well without refreshing the page every time. So I'm thinking what should I do? Okay, you know what? Let's just do it in the most fucked up way. Because this is inside of this component. and or or I can. What if, okay, the whole point of this scroller was to be was to when I can just put this thing inside of my image scroller. That work, like here. It's the same thing, right? Then I won't have to deal with everything else remains the same. I just pass in the data and it will render out this image for me. If that works, then through the active index I can pass on that data to the model status button. Let me turn off my webcam. Okay, let's give it a shot. Children. No. Okay. Then check. We do children data, and then your children data. Oh, it's not really. Oh fuck, and we won't have that image. Nope. Then I have to prop drill these two functions out. No. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna turn off the stream now and I will stream later on. Bye bye, good night.